Hello, NeXT community. So I made sure I plugged in the printer cable this time. Kind of funny. So I thought I was give it a shot here. This was supposedly Steve Jobs' printer, used in a lot of demonstrations back in the day. And I managed to have ink cartridge exploded on the inside. It's recommended when you ship printers to please remove the ink cartridge for me. So what'll happen sometimes is during shipping, if it's in a cargo hold of a plane, and there's compression, decompression, that type of thing, it causes the ink to go all wonky. But I suspect this was beyond that, because it almost seemed like the ink had dried and turned to powder. And Gregor had said this printer hadn't been powered on since 1993. So, towards the end of the boot process, we are going to, if there's an orange glow in here, we may be in business as far as refurbishing it. And then I'll take it. Okay, let's see if, ooh, that's not good. But there is an orange glow. Okay. I am going to shut it off, as this might get a little fun here. Actually, I want to figure out, one, what was that click? I have a feeling it's that lid, because it was obviously slammed up and down a little bit. Stay tuned. This might get interesting. So what I'm probably going to do is go through, thoroughly clean out the printer now that I know I have an orange glow. And I can try and replace the intake roller, because that's what usually wears out. I'm almost tempted, just for the heck of it, let's log in. I haven't had one work right out of the gates in many years, but why not? We'll give it a shot here. I'm feeling lucky. I do have a known good cartridge in there. As I say, the ink cartridge exploded all over me. You don't want to ship them with the ink cartridges. And I believe it's going to be under NeXT Apps, Print Manager. We're also going to fire up Console for the heck of it. So let's go to Tools, Console. Come on. Console. And we're going to hit that printer app. We're going to go to... Yeah, it's already found it. That's good. So we're going to go ahead and print a test print. Should pop open a panel. Let's see if we got the queue. Okay, it shows in the queue. I've got paper in there. Holy crap. Did it just take a piece of paper in? Nah. It should jam. That would be pretty cool if it tried, at least. I think I just heard it say the paper's jammed in the printer. You can probably tell by looking. It may have actually tried to grab a piece of paper. So, let me go.